When searching for the right remodeling contractor, keep these important things in mind. It's a well-known fact that the right remodeling job can create a more comfortable and efficient living or working space while significantly increasing the value of your property. The right remodeling contractor can help you make key decisions that can lead to the overall success of your project. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a remodeling contractor that is right for you. 1. An experienced and reputable remodeling contractor will always take into account your budgetary plan and will stick to a predetermined work schedule. 2. Make sure the contractor is familiar with your local laws so they can secure the proper permits. Also be sure their insurance and license is up to date. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right remodeling contractor. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.